You've faced your biggest problem, the addiction, the abuse, the illness, the loss, and you're winning. But what happens after the victory? What do you do when the war is over and your life is just a blank page? That was me. I beat my addiction, but I was completely stuck. I had no idea how to build a life on the other side.
I know what it's like to be trapped and lost. I was stuck in a cycle of abuse, and the day I finally walked away, I was free, but I had nothing. I left with just a small suitcase and a backpack. I was finally out, but I didn't know how to take a single step forward.
We've both been there, ready to move on, but completely unsure of where to even start. I'm Terry, and this is my wife, Donna. We're the co-founders of Rebuild with Clarity. We learned that recovery isn't about going back. It's about building something new.
That's right. Your deepest pain can become your greatest strength if you have the right tools. We had to create our own blueprint to find our way, and now we're sharing that exact plan to help you take your first step.
Think of your life as a house. You wouldn't just paint over the cracks after a storm. You'd make a plan. You'd start with the foundation and rebuild it the right way. That's what we do here. We've been where you are, and we know the way out.
Our master plan gives you the exact tools and a step-by-step blueprint to transform your pain into purpose, fear into courage, and recovery into a life of unshakable joy. This is a complete change in perspective.
This isn't about fixing yourself. It's about learning how to build a life you can truly love.
And you don't have to build it alone. We offer a community and a path built on unwavering support.
To begin your rebuild immediately, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to receive notifications for the essential mindset shifts, actionable steps, and free weekly guidance we share here.
Second, join our free community. Find us on Facebook by searching for our Rebuild with Clarity public page. That's where you'll connect with others walking this exact path.
And to really fast track that unshakable foundation, check out our Rebuild with Clarity master plan at rebuildwithclarity.com. That's where you get our complete blueprint, all the course units, and support to design a life you can finally love. We're Terry and Donna, and we can't wait to welcome you. Let's construct your best life beyond recovery. Join us at Rebuild with Clarity, a blueprint for constructing a better life.